Monster. Just carrying on like we always do. So if you haven't seen already, I announced it on Twitter that I was going to dress up like Bob Ross and try and paint. As hard as it is for me, sounds like it'll be fun. Bro, so I just watched the new Halo this morning too. God damn. Sure, Mossy. Don't have to do that, my brother. Oh shit, sorry. I just kicked the tripod. Anyone else watch the Halo this morning? The Halo review? I mean, it's on PC, so I can actually play it. Brother Mahalo was telling me. Okay. Yo, Alex, thanks for the sub, brother. And everyone else that subbed as well, I appreciate it. Just remember, guys, you don't have to. You can watch for free. And but thank you, guys. Gotta love those YouTube ads. Looks mean, but I can't wait to jump on that. Yeah, same, bro. I've been like a fan of Halo for a long time, but obviously because I have a PlayStation, I can't play it. I like to watch for free. That's the one, brother. That's the one. That's on the 1 mil. I mean, it wasn't just me, it was you guys too. But thank you. Seba Burgess, thanks for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to. Oh, milestone achievement, however you want to word it. It wasn't just me, it was you guys too. A stream is pretty much nothing without the people who tune in. That's why I call you whānau. But yeah, later on today I'm going to teach you guys how to do the haka as well. What happened? Oh god. Here's the trooper again. Oh, come on, brother. You know the go, bro. You don't have to do that, my brother. But thank you, my bro. Are you going to see the haka today? Yeah, we're going to do the haka today, but I'm going to teach you how to do it. Will you shoot me? Gifting subs? Oh, and the trooper as well. Jesus. Thank you, guys. You can just watch. I don't care if you get sick of me saying it. I will say it anyway. Happy 1 million, man. You deserve this. We deserve it, man. It wasn't just me. Loves to see this in day and age. Cheer, chaos manifested. Cheer, brother. Abyss Watcher. Oh, God. Cheer, brother. Thank you, my bro. You don't have to do that, though. Yeah, but nothing's changed there. I'm still the same person. How did this take you? Oh, I shed a few tears last night. And just, yeah, appreciated everyone. I mean, you have to acknowledge the people that, sub and, follow and support you. Right down to the subs too, even though I don't want people to sub, but you gotta acknowledge them as well. That's the right thing to do, basically. That's why this achievement doesn't just belong to me, it belongs to all of us. Man, this dark mode is so good, eh? You can like see. Jesus, look at all these notifications. Cheer, imagine. Here's to renew my sub to the coolest guy. Ah, cheer, brother. Shot my cuz looking. Cheer, cuzzy. And car 211, thank you very much for the sub, man. Didn't have to. Dark mode is the way forward. Pretty much, bro. Saves the eyes and my battery. Yeah, my phone is starting to bug out too. I think it is. But I've pretty much had my phone since they released them, eh? I'm that guy. I like to look after stuff. Don't really care about new models when they're released. There, my bro, I'm from Tauranga. True, my bro, just over the hill. Down the bottle of sriracha, and I'm fine. Is this normal? Oh, bro, come back in a few minutes, brother. You might be toasted. I was here. Cheer, brother. Yeah, 1 million is something you never see. Oh, something I didn't picture myself getting. The only thing I wanted was just to share and talk to people. That was pretty much it. I didn't even picture myself getting like 500 followers at that. I can tell he wants a good community. Yeah, that's what it's about. Well, that's how I see Twitch anyway. I know people have different mindsets or something, how they want to use their platform. But this, I just want to share. What's the biggest sub gifted done? Nah. Nothing. I'm gonna start with me. Oh, thank you, brother. Thims, thank you for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. So me and Mrs. Broxh went out just for a little celebration. Had a bit of a little celebration breakfast pie and mocha. You will not see any popping of the bottles here. I'll probably get a PS5 on next Doctor. Been a good weekend. Yeah, been going pretty hard, my brother. The scan, which was probably one of the biggest highlights of my week. Hearing baby's heartbeat again. And hitting this with you guys. What do you think about Halo Infinite? Bro, it looks good, eh? I mean, I got a PlayStation and I can't play it, but I've always been a fan of the Halo series. And yeah, this should be a good one. Master Chief's one of my like favorite, how do I say this, like game characters. I'm surprised he's not in Smash yet. But hopefully one day. Hearty old man. When are you going to dress as Bob Ross? So when I get all the giveaway stuff. So the city I'm in doesn't really have any of the pops I want, so I got some delivered from Mighty Ape. I don't know when they're going to be here because they're still prepping. What do you think about Ghost of Tsushima? Fire game. Like, I would say probably one of the best games so far that I've played since like God of War and Red Dead 2. I know people like talk shit about Player 1 games, but man, they're pretty good. Better than League of Legends, that's for sure. And I'm gonna say it, better than WoW. But just for me personally, I've always been fascinated by the samurai culture. How goes the mount runs? I haven't even done any yet, brother. And WTF, thanks for the bits, man. Didn't have to. Let me donate. Nah, it's all good. It's not my birthday yet. Even though we hit 1 million, I'm still not turning it on. That's insane, such a dream. True, it's Dex too, bro. It's all because of you guys. Gotta go on it, bro. All on you now. Yeah, bro, there's some pressure right there since you got invincible. Well, grats out to you, brother Mahalo. The brother got his invincible mount. He's been grinding for 8 years. And I just started grinding for it. I've only done like 3 runs so far. Why don't you stream games? Because I'm waiting for this piece for the stream pack to come in. It actually just hit New Zealand shores yesterday. Get a shout out for the bro, please, if it hasn't been done already from the mods. Thanks for the host, brother. I really appreciate it. And welcome to you and your community for coming through. So everyone that may not know me, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I've been carving since I was 12 years old. Now this played a major role for our ancestors, this particular art form, in holding the myths, stories and legends to pass through the ages, along with the face-to-face. So we're more of an oral culture as well, and song and dance, the kapa haka, or haka as you may know. But thank you, brother, for the host. Appreciate it, my bro. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary, is even more than anyone that you adore can love. It's all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two and I can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Angus soup. Angie soup. Thank you, brother. What's your favourite cartoon? Ooh, that's a hard one. Cartoon. I've watched so many as a kid though. There's just so many good ones. Damn. I actually don't know just because there's so many of them. Hi Surfing, thanks for the sub, or gifting a sub, didn't have to. Avatar, nah, I'm thinking way before Avatar as well. Jeremiah. Yeah, it's been a mean journey, eh? Just happy to share. Nah, I'm thinking way before Avatar. Shit. What was something I watched the most as a kid? I mean, Biker Mice from Mars was pretty up there for me, but so was The Mummy. Oh yeah, what is it? Mummy's Alive. Yeah, Transformers and Thundercats too. Yeah, I used to watch those hard, bro. Batman. Batman was another one. There's just so many. Street Sharks, yeah, that was another one too. Samurai Pizza Kids, yeah, bro. They don't make cartoons that good anymore. Gargoyles. Favorite Pokemon? I'm gonna stick with Gen 1, so Blastoise.
Like out of all the Pokemon games, I think my favorites are obviously blue and red, and silver and gold. Those are the two that I like. Danger Mouse, yeah. Jackie Chan, yep, that was another one. If I had to choose like one, yeah, probably Mice from Mars, eh? As a kid. Ren and Stimpy, yeah. I remember watching that far. Looking back at the cartoon now, it's pretty cooked, eh? Was that an apple? Yeah, but yo, 21st century anarchist. Thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, don't have to renew it, my bro. You can watch for free. All good. Sure, useless archives. Sure, brother. Marvel or DC? Probably Marvel, bro. Big fan of Thor, but yeah, Beta Ray Bill was another one because he gives Thor a hiding. Yo, Captain Planet. He's the hero, gonna take pollution down to zero. And then those real life programs came out there, like Power Rangers, and then Beetleborgs. And then, geez, I forget the name of that. I can't remember what it's called, but they're like warriors. The forest around me, the earth beneath me. I keep forgetting what the hell the name of it was. Chill, my bro. Big chill, brother Thunder. Yeah, Beetleborgs, bro. I think my favourite Beetleborg was the one that had the speakers on his armour. He was kind of like the jazz transformer of Beetleborgs. Voltron, yeah, there's all on Thundercats. So many, eh? Nowadays they got that, what the fuck's it called? Rick and Morty. Fuck, that's out of it. Can't believe kids watch cartoons like that. I can't watch that, that's just a bit too cooked for me. Metabots, yo, let's go. Rokusho. The Gummy Bear cartoon. Not gonna lie, I never watched that, brother. Didn't even know there was one. And then Beast Wars came out. Memories. Goose Samer. So the way we started out this piece, I actually drew it up off stream, and then pretty much, yeah, got our block of wood, eh? And then transferred it to the wood. So just scaling the drawing to the wood, and then from there, what you do is roll out your timber, just get a nice round on it, and then redraw it again. And then from there you start to set your levels, so your sections that you cut first. Mystic Knights of Tuna used to be on Saturday afternoons. I think so, Booing. They all got like different powers, eh? From the elements. I can't remember what it was called. Might be that. But I used to like the Earth guy and the Forest dude. Still have Looney Tunes. Hydrate. Yeah, man, those are some good programs back in the day. And it was game over when we got had the real colourful armour. Yeah, bro. It was all over when we got Dragon Ball Z as kids. And then, oh yes, and Beyblades, bro. When Tyson launched his Beyblade like that, bang! And then we all tried it with our bottle tops. Those were the days. There's a cheers for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you don't have to renew, my man. Let it rip. Yeah, bro. Who was my favourite? Drasil. And then when Galleon got introduced, I was like, wow, look at that one. I love Drasil, man. He's cool. Lazy Dozer, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to sub, man. You can watch for free, but thank you, bro. And then, who was it? Dark Dronza, eh? Fuck. True Fanta. Oh, yeah, DBZ was the first for me. I remember our teacher used to get sick of us back in primary. Just when I'd moved to another school outside of home. And all we used to do in our story time was just talk about Dragon Ball Z. Price the fish. Thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new. Oh, jeez. You can watch free Daffy Duck. Oh shit, brother. What about the one with the nephews? What's the grumpy duck's name? Elementary. Yeah, bro. K-Zone. Yo, that was that old book, eh? Is it still out? Squishy-kun. Thank you for the bits, man. Didn't have to give those. Oh yeah, Scrooge McDuck. And then, just forgot about the name of the cartoon I was about to say. It's gonna bug me now. Damn it. Oh yes, the Mighty Ducks cartoon. Bro, that was cool. Especially when he put the mask on, eh? Yo, Sean, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Bro, these quality talks, man, talking about cartoons. Is that wet spot? It's linseed oil, bro, just to loosen up the green. Pengu trick shotter. Loot, loot. Thanks for the sub, my bro. If you're new, my bro, you can just watch instead of renewing. That's fine. Look after yourselves first. Two years. Shit. Some big numbers from you guys. Okay, let's cut these. For a couple of months before I made an account. Oh, true, brother. I actually think otters are pretty cute though, how they sleep, they hold hands. 8 years, damn! Stream elements. So I'm just trying to butt all of these out, guys. So these pakati is what we call them. One of our most difficult designs that we have. Okay, so I was thinking this morning about the first carving stream I ever did. Ooh, and it just popped out the voice. And Fanta was there. It's pretty pixelated, eh? Like shit as quality. And I got damn shy, eh? I mean, I knew him through the Cuzzy Squirt stream, but still, just try to hide it, eh? And yeah, carving for the first time on stream didn't go. Oh, well, it was all good. Like, it's comfortable because I knew Fanta, eh? And then so I actually used to stream pixelated as fuck Fortnite too. And even then Fanta was there. Cheer Quincy for the sub, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. You didn't have to. How things have changed so much. Yeah, bro. So just looking back, I didn't ever think I would stream, me, like ever. But it's something I really have fun doing. So there's like, oh, I keep breaking them. God damn it. So there's a clip with me and the Cuzzy Squirt playing Fortnite. I think it's still up. And man, the quality is great. Yeah, so I've just been looking back, eh? And bro, didn't think I'd be where we are today. Micro from the UK, thank you very much, brother. Love to watch your carving. Oh, true, Fanta. Yeah, Fanta's an OG. Not just here, but I would say ANZ. And along with some other streams outside of the community. Now he's someone I would say is a goat. I don't know if he likes goats, but yeah. Congrats on one more unit. Thanks, brother. Oh, it's Georgie. Hey, brother Georgie. Didn't have to do there, my bro. Now, why is it sticking? Oh, there you go. Appreciate the bits, brother. But just remember, look after yourself. Of New Zealand population, that's madness. Trooper. That's pretty handy, eh? That's crazy. Man, I remember that day when the chat started going fast, eh? I was panicking inside. Broxh, you forgot the E in your title. Yeah, it's not a Broxh title without spelling errors, eh? Doesn't, as long as people know what I'm saying. All about those spelling errors, bro. Call me the cookie monster. Can you tell us a bit about the piece you're making? Just tuned in. Cheers, Shock Havoc. So what we're carving right now, brother, is a Wheku mask. So pronounced Wheku, spelled W-H-E-K-U. So W-H in our language is obviously an F.
And so these masks weren't made to be worn, obviously, and they were usually hung up on the apex of our meeting houses to represent the face of our ancestral meeting house. You'll find these particular masks as well on a waharoa, a gateway. But this is more just to showcase the different type of masks or variations that we have. And just showcasing what we can do from a block of wood right up until the end, which is near. Welcome, brother. Beam Reach Sailor. Brother, thank you for the sub. Did you do anything with your family to celebrate your 1 mil milestone? We went for breakfast. Had a pie. Hot chocolate. And bought my daughter a tutu. And we just bought some stuff for our dinner tonight. About it. Cheer the warden. Thanks, brother. Did you just say the end is near? Schmoitz just for this project. Weighs 5 kgs TV and big for your face. You're not made to be worn, that's why. Come over here. Sad guy. She's watching the chat, guys, from behind the camera. Say hello to her. Say hello to Mrs. Broxh. Gotta say young sick. Gotta say young chew.
Chew.
Say it louder.
Chew.
Yeah, sad guy. That's my lady. Pardon?
I'm just seeing how much you've done.
How much is done? Oh, we're just done all of this. Not even heaps, eh? Sad guy. See, look, they were saying hello here.
Hello.
Hold the phone.
No.
Just type and say hello.
No.
Just hello.
I'll just say hello.
It's me. Hello from the other side. Okay, she's leaving us. Sad guy. Are you Polynesian? Yes, I am, random player. Māori to be precise. Tell us how you met. Nah, she'll give me a cheek. She'll give me a hiding. I want to sleep on the bed tonight, not on the couch. Even though I wouldn't mind, I'll probably play some more games. I thought you meant the end of the world. No, why would I say that? I'm not one of those self-proclaimed priests that think they know when the world's gonna end. They're bloody drop kicks though, I'll give you that. Mrs. Broxh. I think we have to rename her Twitch to that, eh? Maybe. She watches. She has a Twitch. Just made a new bed. You can even carve stuff on it. True, brother. What is happening nearby? There's a squeaky tree. There's towels on the line. There's a house over there. There's a brick wall. There's someone reversing out of their driveway across the road. And there's a seagull eating rubbish on the road. There you go, brother. Yo, sore prostate. Holy shit, brother. Cheers for subbing, and also others don't. Do the Māori believe in the religion? Yeah, our own.
Well, there's some that have translated or transitioned over to other faiths when the missionaries brought their faiths over. But most of the time I just acknowledge Māori gods now. I don't say Āmene because it's not a Māori word. Never have, or never have now, until I realised. Janilla Beans, thanks for the sub, man. Didn't have to. Weight and size. Oh, bro. You're the first one to ask, like, weight and size, brother. Nice. I didn't have to, but I wanted to. Ah, it's all good. That's what everyone says too. Fella just don't even know how to do his own commands. Play old school RuneScape. Damn, I don't play that. I better check to see if these pop vinyls or if Mighty Apes charge me yet for them, and they'll be sent out. Okay, split an apple into your wavelengths. Yes, I can split an apple. No. Oh, Count Popola. Thank you for that, man. If you're new here, you don't have to do that, brother. But I appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Where do I live? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Hold on, guys. Titiro tu ki te moana He pua hai No ai kato Haere maira. Yo, Grinches. Thanks for the bits, brother. Gee, you didn't have to do that.
I've always been the one to say the
First goodbye. 1 out 2, bro. No thumb wrestling, dude. Nah. That's not what it's about. Okay, he's all good. It's pretty buzzy. He reached out, though. Oh, man.
You say my name like I have never heard before. Indecisive, but this time I know for sure. Hope I'm not the only one that feels it all. I'm falling. Suitable attention, you know you can get whatever you want from me. I know you want it, baby. It's you and my
This is a main remix.
I'm afraid of all the things you could.
Make anything for yourself? No, I've actually never carved anything for myself, brother. Like, ever.
I would stay at home, 'cause I was doing better alone.
KDC, thank you very much, man. Me? No, I've never carved everything for myself. Thank you for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you don't have to renew, my bro.
Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Oh no, I was doing better alone. You said
This is a track, man.
I knew that was the end of it. I should
Thanks, Robert Snake. Yeah, it's getting there, brother.
by letting you go.
You curvy some babies.
And love was the one that could break my heart.
Oh, one more time. Fuck, I love this. So good.
Let's make some beats. Any requests? Hey, okay, let's go start.
Spellers cracker. Oh, where did it go? Fam, I lost it. No! Let me just spell it in right quick. Found it, Dubby. This cherry indeed slang you just means hello, brother.
I've always been the one to say the first goodbye.
This is better than the original, don't hit me. Yeah, bro. I can agree, bro.
Had to get it back to know just what I like. Now I'm falling.
What's the name of this song? Jeez, I don't even know. Just DJ spell. I know for sure.
Hope I'm not the only
One that feels it all. Are you falling? Should've hold attention. You know you can get whatever you want from me. Why do you want it, baby?
It's you and my reflection. I'm afraid of
All
falling.
the things you could do to me.
If I would've known it, baby.
Talkbook even puts another mean aspect on it.
'Cause I was doing better alone. But when you say I knew that was the end of it all.
I remember seeing it on TikTok for the first time, and bro, I couldn't stop listening to it. Playing my music. Hey, there he is, too. Cheer, brother Spell.
Oh no,
I was doing better alone.
I knew that was the end of it all.
Cheer, Gulag, and the dude on Twitch. Thanks for subbing, guys. You didn't have to. So there's this Twitch down there, guys. He actually streams too, making beats. I'm not sure if he's DJing. Ask him. Okay, one more time just for me.
Searching for music for your next
Oh,
video?
do that, YouTube.
Then you need to check out our list. With amazing new music added daily and one
Get out of here with your advertising. What type of bones do Māori carve? Whale bone? Beef bone?
I've always been the one to say the first goodbye. Had to love and lose
100 million times.
Had to get it back to
No, just what I like. Now I'm falling.
You say my name
Like I have never before. So I can clip it now.
I
Know for sure.
hope I'm not the only
One that feels it all. Are you falling? Should've all attention. You know you can get whatever you want from me. Whatever you want it, baby.
It's you and my reflection.
And I'm afraid of all the things you could do to me. If I would've known it, baby, I would've stayed at home. 'Cause I was doing better alone. Yeah, I do like this version better than the original. Major X, thanks for the sub, my bro. Didn't have to. Can watch for free.
Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Oh no.
My banana's whalebone. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So whalebone was one of the most prized materials we had, along with ponabu, which is the jade.
Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart?
Spell. Oh shit, Susan's coming again. Okay guys, so yeah, thank you all for today. We're gonna call it here, just because I have to go and do some washing. Pathalon, thank you for the sub, brother. If you're new here, then have to review my break. It's totally fine to watch. I can't time out just for kicks, can I? I'll unmold them and then you can time them out. But guys, thank you very much for today. Just celebrating the big milestone by you guys, the followers. Thankful. Thank you very much, guys. It's been a mean experience, and we're still going. We're still
Listen
going.
to your favorite playlists, albums, and tracks anywhere, anytime.
Okay.
Upgrade to Sound.